Hey you guys, welcome back to Journeys with Jay. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this really pretty pink French tip right on time for Valentine's Day. If you guys want to see how I did this, then please continue to watch. BTartBox was so nice to send me over their new pink and purple French tips. Each box comes with 5 colors. So pretty. This is the box with the 5 shades of pink. So you have your very light pastels, you have your hot pinks, you have more of that flamingo-y pink, all really pretty and perfect for Valentine's Day. And then on the other end, we have the purple box. And in here you have 5 shades of purple. Look at that top purple, that is so pretty. Here is going to be the 5 shades of purple, super pretty. And the really cool thing about these kind of kits is that you can mix and match your purples. You can do all of one color. Again, I feel like this is going to be really pretty and perfect timing for Valentine's Day. So if you're not necessarily a pink wearer, purple is your color of choice, then I definitely recommend going with these. I today am going to do the pink ones because I just feel like that is where my mood is. As you guys can see, the pink background. I think that that would be a better choice for me today. So we're gonna go ahead and put those on, and we will put on the purple ones in a later video. Thanks again to BTartBox for sending me over these products. I decided to go with this here soft Barbie pink. I feel like it's going to be perfect and a little bit softer than like a really hot pink, which is what I'm going for. Let's go ahead and apply these. To prep my natural nails, I'm going to be going in with my Melody Susie e-file and my mini sanding band. I like to keep my e-file at a 1 because we don't want it to be too high of a speed. This is especially good if you are newer to using an e-file. Use it at a lower speed and go in with a light hand. I know it may look like a lot more is kicking up than anyone would like, but I'm being really light-handed and I'm just taking my time. Same that I would do with a regular nail file. Once we are done with buffing the surface of our natural nails, I'm going to go in with a alcohol prep pad and just use that to remove any nail dust from the surface of my natural nails. As you guys can see, I am doing both hands today, but I just wanted to show you the base color of the nails from BTartBox. They are more brown, like of a nudie color, but still really pretty. And next I'm going to go ahead and apply my nail dehydrator from Model 1s to all of my nails. Now we can go in with our Model 1's nail primer. When applying the primer, you just want to ensure that you don't apply it onto the skin. So me, I just pretty much avoid getting it really close to the outer part of the nail to avoid that. As you guys know, I've been getting settled into a completely new place, so I couldn't find my BTartBox gel glue, so instead I'm just going to be using my creations today. They are very similar in thickness, so I feel like this should work amazingly, and I like to apply it at the base of the nail and scrape a little additional product at the base. we go in and apply it at a 45-degree angle, allowing that glue to flow forward. You don't have to press too hard. And then we're just going to flash cure that for 15 to 20 seconds. In today's video, Melody Susie sent me over their new P+20F nail dryer. This is a really beautiful nail dryer. It's nice and compact, and it doesn't take up a ton of space for someone who may not have full room of space for their nail products. Me personally, I'm trying to downsize a lot of my stuff and not be so overcrowded with products. But just look at this. Look at how beautiful this is. It's in a pill shape. This is rechargeable. It's going to be a huge space saver for me. I won't have to worry about constantly pulling it out, plugging it in, charging it, or plugging it in just to use it. With this one now, I can just simply charge it, bring it out, and use it. So right here, this is going to be the USB-C port for the charger. And you just click it on. You see that the light is green, so it is charged. Right there you have the 35 seconds. You can see that my battery is fully charged, so I love that they sent this out fully charged as well. You have your 35-second option as well as a 65-second option. Another really cool thing that I love about this little area right here is for curing the thumb. So you have your 4 fingers and the thumb curing all at once. As soon as I put my hand under, it starts to cure. I pull it out and it stops. For the opposite hand, you just swish it around the opposite way. Make sure that your seconds are where you want them to be, and then you slide that thumb in and go. So instead of me having to go and cure my thumb and then my fingers, look at how cute and convenient that is. I absolutely love this, and I can't wait to use it in today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this back off. You just click it and it cuts right back off. Wow, so cute and so convenient. I absolutely love this. You guys know I do have another full cure lamp that I absolutely love, but sometimes it can take up quite a bit of space. This is 48 watts. If you guys want to go ahead and grab yours, I'll have it linked below, and you can use my discount code for Melody Susie to receive a percentage off of your order, or I'll also have it linked for Amazon in case you guys want to order it on there as well. I am just going to quickly cure my nails for 65 seconds, and using my Melody Susie dust collector. This is a newer item as well. It's cordless, so once again a major space saver, and it's very high power, which I love. I'm just going to lightly clean up around that cuticle because I want these to be nice and flushed. They are already a little bit thinner around the cuticle, which is really nice, but in order for me to keep the nails on longer, I like to just really go around that cuticle area and clean it up. And for the final step, I'm going to go ahead and apply some Model 1's cuticle oil. And I love this oil because it's nice and like it's like a dry oil, so it doesn't leave a no. Okay, you guys, this is going to be the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I think that these turned out really, really great. They're right on time for Valentine's Day. And if you just really wanted to switch up your regular French tips, I definitely will be reaching more towards these as well as the purple sets. Thank you again to BTartBox for sending me over these nails, and let me know down below in the comment section what you guys want to see next time. Don't forget to thumbs this video up if you enjoyed watching it, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.